In the Rococo Review of Robotic Ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the dark Algo EA V2.0 MT4 on my Headway account for months. And zounds, it's darkened my drawdowns to plus 431.87% gains with the panache of a parodic phantom. A Telegram trickster touted it as the EA that lurks in shadows to snatch profits, and after its droll dominion over downturns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this dark Algo denizen of deals. The zip folder for the dark Algo EAV 2.0 MT4 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and a manual as terse as a taxman's tease. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the dark Algo EAV 2.0 MT4 to US 500s, AIS5 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the dark Algo EAV 2.0 MT4 parades, its plus 431.87%. Absolute gain escapade on Headway since January 2025, ballooning $400 deposits into $1,034 balance with $634 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.51% chuckles, monthly 16.78% guffaws, equity curve a bemused ascent, lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 81%, meaning 245 of 305 trades winners, 122 longs at 82%, 123 shorts at 80%, way above the 60% benchmark for multi-time frame bots that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy 18.35 pips, $3.93 per pop, while losses are reined in at negative 43.81 pips. Negative $5.47 thanks to the dark Algo EAV 2.0 MT4's built-in high accuracy and low spread preference that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips? 1,866. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile pairs without overtrading. Drawdowns only 50.22% relative. Absolute 50.22%. So even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible at 0%. Profit factor of 2.93 more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in nearly 3 back. Sharp ratio 0.14 shows it's delivering smooth, efficient returns without wild swings. And the Z-score of 99% against United clustering proves it's got that random walk vibe pros love. Commissions? Zilch on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of 6.1 pips $2.08 per trade covers it easy. Average hold times 1 day for those M1 precision entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 400% plus yearly without the heart attacks, this dark Algo EAV 2.0 MT4 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the dark Algo EAV 2.0 MT4 on MT4 with ticks from September 2025 data and, solid numbers. Total net profit, $334 on a $10,000 start. Gross profits, $377, edging out losses of negative $43 for that clean edge. 44 trades total. Win rate 53% overall. Average trade netting positive with max drawdown 8.31% absolute. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the dark Algo EAV 2.0 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it, hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting. Dark Algo EAV 2.0 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.